Hey y'all, so we're gonna try something different today. We're gonna do some vegan Alfredo because I went to the pumpkin patch and we interacted with a bunch of animals and chicken was one of them. I usually make chicken Alfredo or steak Alfredo or shrimp, but after interacting with the chickens, I've been having a hard time trying to eat it. So I was like, let me try to do some meals without meat. So this is gonna be one of my first ones, really, because I used to be like a really big meat eater. So let's see how it tastes, y'all. Okay, y'all, I was gonna use olive oil, but I don't have that right now, so I'm putting some butter on there, and it tastes good anyway, so use that, y'all. Either or. Y'all, these red lobster biscuits be so good. Have y'all tried to make them at home? Let me know. Oh, y'all, okay, so the reason why I'm using half of this pack is because it's just me and Terrence, and then, we got the two babies, but y'all know these babies and these toddlers be picky, so I usually just do half of the box and then save the other half for later. So, y'all, I found the secret to making these biscuits about 4 years ago. Add super cold water or super cold milk because it's going to make it so moist. It's going to melt in your mouth, girl. Trust me, just do it. Cheese is so good, y'all. Make it cheesy because if you don't put a lot of cheese in there, you're not going to really be able to taste it. So, add a lot of cheese. It's going to balance itself out, and you're going to thank me later. Okay, so the box doesn't say add butter in it, but girl, just add some butter in there because it's gonna taste like a buttermilk biscuit a little bit. I think this is what Red Lobsters usually do, but of course they can't give us the actual real ingredient. They gotta keep us coming back.
Not even big in the bag. I'm sitting in an empty cup. Got my ice cream.
Okay, y'all, you don't have to add nothing, but when it's store bought, you gotta remix it up, girl. You gotta do something because you don't want it to taste like everybody else's and be basic and kind of bland. So remix it if you're not doing it from scratch. Remix it to your taste buds. So I just added extra pesto sauce and then a little bit, of a pinch of salt to that sauce, girl. You cannot go wrong. TJ, Mama, what you doing? Okay, y'all, so the noodles and everything is pretty much done. So now I'm about to just place the noodles on a plate and the vegetables on top with some Parmesan cheese on top, and dinner is served. It was actually good without the meat. We ate that thing up.